Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will cover the further values for RTVMBRD command. So in order to explain the same, I'm taking the program in edit mode. Here you can see that we have declared three variables. So information for these variables you can get from the command itself. So just write RTVMBRD and there you will find the data type and length of the respective variables that we can retrieve from this command, and accordingly you will declare the variable like this. Okay, so just write RTVMBRD, press F4. Here we are supposed to pass these values. First one is the file from which we want to retrieve the description. Second is the library where our file is residing, and memory is by default set to star first. So these are the values that we have already covered in previous sessions. So I'm doing page down. Today we are going to discuss these values: CHGDATE, SAVDATE, and RSTDATE. So let's see one by one. So I'm doing F1 on this. So here it is mentioned, specify the name of a variable used to retrieve the file change, century, date, and time. In CL program, this should be a 13 character variable. The format is CYYMMDDHHMMSS, where C is century, Y is year, M is month, D is day, H is hour, M is minutes, and S is seconds. Second value is save date. So it is mentioned here, specify the name of CL variable used to retrieve the file member and say century, date, time. In CL programs, this should be a 13 character variable. The format is CYYMMDDHHMMSS, where C is century, Y is year, M is month, D is day, H is hour, M is minutes, and S is seconds. Blanks are returned if no date is available. Return non-IBM and non-system38 files return blanks. Now the third value is RSTDATE. If I do page F1 here, so it is mentioned here, specify the name of a variable used to retrieve the file member and restore century, date, and time. In CL program, this value should be of 13 character variable, where format is same, CYYMMDDHHMMSS, Y is year, M is month, D is day, H is hour, M is minutes, and S is seconds. Blanks are returned if there is no date available. Remote non-IBMI and non-system38 files are returned blank. So we got the information, then simply hit enter by passing the variables in the respective field. So you can see that we have passed those variables. So these variables will get the output. And then simply hit enter. So once this line number 1617 got executed, we will get the respective variable with data. So then we are printing it. So for printing we are using sndpgmsg command. So here you can just take F4, and after taking F4 it will look like this, where we can pass the parameter which we want to print. So these three lines will print the values. Now I am doing file and doing compilation. So once it is compiled, now we will call it. So first output is this date, second is this one, and third one is blank. So this is how we can retrieve member description using RTVMBRD command. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Sharmit.